Welcome to Phantom Wallet versus Slope Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Phantom Wallet and Slope Wallet, two popular non-custodial wallets designed for the Solana blockchain. We'll cover their features, security, ease of use, and which one is best suited for different types of users. Phantom Wallet is a sleek, user-friendly wallet designed for Solana users. It provides a simple interface that allows you to store, send, and receive Solana-based tokens, NFTs, and access decentralized apps, dApps, within the Solana ecosystem. Phantom's standout features include a built-in decentralized exchange, DEX, for asset swaps, and a staking feature to earn rewards. Phantom is available as a browser extension and a mobile app, making it convenient for both desktop and mobile users. The wallet is non-custodial, meaning you have full control over your private keys, which are stored securely on your device. For Solana enthusiasts who prioritize ease of use and dApp integration, Phantom is an excellent choice. Slope Wallet, on the other hand, is another non-custodial wallet built specifically for the Solana network. Slope's interface is designed to be simple and straightforward, with features that support token storage, transfers, and NFT management. One of Slope's unique features is its integration with Solana's DeFi ecosystem, making it a solid choice for users engaging in decentralized finance. It also supports staking, allowing you to earn rewards from your SOL holdings. Slope is available as a mobile app, and while it doesn't have a browser extension like Phantom, it focuses on mobile-first functionality, which might appeal to those who primarily use their phones for crypto management. In conclusion, Phantom Wallet is best suited for users looking for an intuitive wallet with strong dApp support and cross-platform access. If you prioritize mobile-first functionality and are actively involved in Solana's DeFi ecosystem, Slope Wallet might be a better option. Both are solid choices for managing Solana assets, but your preferences in terms of platform and DeFi usage will help guide your decision. Check the links in the description for more details.